Hello friends, in today's video, we're going to learn the easy CSS clip path feature. Get ready to unlock your creativity and learn how to create stunning text effects that reveal background images. So, grab your coding tools, and let's get started. Before we jump into the practical aspect, let's take a moment to understand what CSS clip path is all about. In simple terms, CSS clip path allows us to define a specific shape or path to determine how an element should be displayed or clipped. It's like a virtual cookie cutter for our web elements. See this example here. You just have to specify the clip path attribute to get this visual effect. With CSS clip path, we can create visually stunning effects, like revealing background images through text. It's a fantastic way to add depth and creativity to your designs. So, let's roll up our sleeves and start coding. To demonstrate the power of CSS clip path, let's create a simple HTML page. Open up your favorite code editor and create a new HTML file. Begin by setting up the basic structure with the HTML, head, and body tags. Next, let's create a div element within the body tag. We'll add the text "This is nice" inside the div, which will serve as our text element to be clipped. Now, let's move on to the CSS file. Link the CSS file to your HTML file using the link tag within the head section. To make our text visually appealing, we need to style it within the CSS file. Let's begin by centering the text horizontally and vertically within the division. Next, we want to make the text appear bold and have a sufficient height to showcase the background image. Adjust the font weight and font size accordingly. Now comes the exciting part. We're going to add a background image to our div and use CSS clip path to create the effect of revealing the image through the text. Let's dive in. I have already downloaded my image to the images folder. Bring your own nice image. To achieve the clip path effect, we'll set the WebKit background clip property to text and make the text color transparent. This will make the background image visible only through the text area. Open the HTML file in your web browser and see the magic happen. If the effect isn't perfect yet, don't worry. You can fine-tune it. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to leverage the CSS clip path feature to create captivating text effects that reveal background images. Let's recap the key steps we covered in this tutorial. We began by setting up the HTML and CSS files, styling the text element to ensure it stood out, and applying a background image. Then, we used the WebKit background clip property with a transparent text color to clip the text and reveal the image. Remember to play around with different clip path shapes and experiment with your designs. The more you practice, the more you'll master this fantastic feature. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful in expanding your CSS skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting web design and development content. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep coding and let your creativity shine through with CSS clip path.